everyone, this is Miss Lena back in her kitchen again. So glad to have you all today. Whenever you take the vision and view the videos. I'm first going to read a scripture. Okay, I'm getting ready to read my verse, Proverbs 13 and 20. He who walketh with the wise grow wise. Proverbs 13, chapter 13, verse 20. Thank you so much. So today I'm going to do one skillet deal, and it's going to contain sausage, link sausage. All right, let me stand up. All right, that's all of my onion and
Trinity
right.
mix.
And then I have my link sausage that I have cut up, and also will be doing diced tomatoes and potatoes, and I will be putting in the marinated sauce. Okay, and of course I use everything that I always use. My garlic powder, onion powder, complete, and I also will be using a little bit of bay. All right, so I'm getting ready. I'm going to use the grapeseed oil. Okay, so I'm going to be spraying my skillet. Okay, and I'm going to be putting in my potatoes first. Okay, now I'll get my onion and the bell peppers that I have together already. Okay, now I'm letting them cook on high just at 425 in this skillet until I get them kind of brown like a little bit. And then I'll add the sausage. Now I will be adding my ingredients. The complete cashapp bay. I'm not putting very much in. I used to use cashapp bay quite a bit when I first started. Black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. Okay. I have about 8 potatoes in here. They are small. And I kind of diced them up a little bit.
Okay, y'all, she'll be back once the potatoes get brown.
All right. This is my diced tomatoes I'll be putting few in. Okay, I'm putting 1/2 cup of beef broth in. Okay, now I'll be putting the sausage in. going to let that simmer just a little bit. I'm going to add just a little bit more onion powder. Okay, be back in a minute. I have a half a package of mixed vegetables that I'm going to add. It's frozen also. All right, and I'm going to also get ready to add my marinated sauce. I added, a few minutes ago, added a little bit more onion powder. So this is garlic powder now. A little bit more complete. And just a slight bit more black pepper. This is just a one skillet meal, and it's made with sausage, potatoes, and mixed vegetables. And this is something very good when your kids are coming home from school. Eventually, just a good supper meal. If you like the sausage, these are Elkridge sausages that I'm using. I use 1 whole ram ham. So I'm going to let them cook a few more minutes, and I'll be back shortly when they finish. Thank you. All right, this is my final touches of this one pot meal, and it consists of potatoes and sausage with the marinated sauce and all of my ingredients in it. So it's a very good dish, and it's something that you can use when the kids get out of school or just any day. It's not cold yet, but it's a very good meal for when it does get cold. So I'm going to do a taste test for you, and I know it's very good. So I'm going to just do a little bit. So now I use Elkridge sausage. You can use whatever kind you want, but this is what I have available for me right now. I was trying to get some more of the vegetables in here. I didn't put a lot in here today. I just had about a half of a pack of a mixed vegetable with peas and carrots and everything in it. So, okay. But I just want you to see then what I have here. Okay. I'm going to cut it off now. Okay. It's pretty hot right now, but I'm going to try to do a little taste for you. It is really good. Now, if you like, you can also add a little honey to it if you like. Depends on what you want your flavor. But I didn't put it in, but this is one that you can do it if you like. But it's very delicious, and I hope you all will try it. Because this is a one-dish meal, and you can add your salads or whatever to it later. And I sure thank you all for watching. And this is from Miss Lena's Kitchen, a one-dish meal. Thank you so much. And thank all my subscribers, all the new ones that I've gotten in. I appreciate you all so much. And I thank you so much. And I will be seeing you later on.
Thank you so much for the channel subscribers. We really appreciate to all the ones that subscribing to our channel. Thank you. Y'all have a blessed day and a blessed weekend.
Bye-bye.